Hello friends and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Palm Cheese mask reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this site, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, PalmCheese.com is the United States based online store that sells scrunches, face masks, palm masks, headwear, pet stuff, lanyards, palm ID, accessories, Genchi yoga accessories and much more. And all this stuff is made available in beautiful and attractive color ranges. So you can find your desired options by visiting the product list of this website, and you can see the prices are too good to be true. Now let's talk about payment information, guys. So according to the website details, the modes of payment available on the site are Visa, MasterCard, Mastrio, etc. You can take a look at the bottom of this web page. And coming to the shipping policy, so guys, they have not mentioned the exact shipping duration here, but yes, they have mentioned handling charge of $3 for all freight collect orders or special shipping. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the first important factor, which is HTTPS protocol. So yes, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about the domain creation date, so the domain name was created on 5th of March 2002. So guys, this shows that the site seems legit. Now let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So talking about the About Us info, you can take a look here. They have mentioned the entire information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info and their offerings as well. So this is a good sign and shows that the site is a legit site. Now guys, let's take a look at the contact us information. So you can see the contact details two times. One is in contact us section and other at the bottom of the web page. So they have provided their company's official address and telephone number, which is a good sign, guys. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So yes, the site has strong social media presence on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and YouTube. So this is a good sign. And coming to the return policy. So the company offers 15 days return policy from purchase date. Guys, do comment about your experience and refund or return of the product because it will give benefit to other customers before making any online purchase. And guys, talking about customer reviews, the site has a sufficient amount of reviews. The customers find the colors to be beautiful and the quality of the mask to be excellent. But we see that some of the customers do not find the headbands so useful. So the customers must be clear with the genuineness of the site and shop products. You can do more research before making any online purchase. And guys, in the final conclusion, we found that the website is a legit website. But if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep loving, keep supporting, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.